What's up, y'all? Bay Area Plants, and today we are going to be feeding my Venus flytrap. So I have a fly. I've never fed it before. Usually it catches like the little gnats and stuff, but there was a dead one, so I said, okay, let me go ahead and give my Venus flytrap a little bit of food. So this is my first time doing this. So Hugh's kind of sweating. It's scorcher out here in California, especially in the Bay Area right now. So let's go ahead and get it started. So I have two of them, but I'm gonna be feeding it to the one in the blue today. And we're gonna pick a fairly big one to put it into, so that way hopefully it can digest it. But yeah, we shall see. All right, so this is the fly right here. I'm gonna pick it up with a pair of tweezers. So you can see there. So I'm gonna put it into this one right. Oh, there it is. So looks like it's inside. Let's pull it up right here, get a little bit of. So it's in. All right, you guys, you got to witness my first feeding. Hopefully it digested. It's kind of big, so hopefully it's able to eat it. But we shall see.